Going to give the onions and garlic a bit of feed with lead fishing bone. Let's look and see what's happening in the polytunnel. Let's see what's been happening in here. Temperature, it's been 49.6, currently 15.2, 0.5 is the lowest. A wee bit here. Let's bring you in for a closer look. A wee bit of show in the Savoy cabbage. They're just poking their heads through. Courgette plant, only 2 days ago I put that in. That's putting some growth. As is that one, that's still going to be potted on. Cherry tomato, which was a rogue, that seems to have taken. One of the sweet corns is growing on. I think that's that was leeks in that one. The tomato plants, they look as if they've taken. Let's look and see what else is. Some new growth on the raspberries. Oh yeah, the rhubarb. This is my first year of picking. I'm quite looking forward to getting some of that. That's the third year that's been in. Fed the garlic, there's a few autumn champions in there. This is all autumn champions. Fed that as well with blood fish and bone. Strawberries are starting to show. Might get a few off of that. That'll need to be netted up very soon. These are rogue cherry tomatoes. So I had one cherry tomato in here last year. You can still see the remains. So they've just self-seeded. Broad beans, still looking good. Garlic chives in there. This is one of the new raised beds. Need to get some compost in that. Oregano's looking good. More garlic. And there's a few of the beetroot coming up. Another raised bed. That's going to be filled up as well. This is another area that was heavy with bindweed. As you can see, it's coming through the cardboard. I left a bit of this apple tree in. Oh, it's starting to form apples. Some more on there, on there. So we've got these hooped up, ready for the Savoy cabbages to go in over winter. Some other pond. Bird box up there. Lemon balm. It's my nettle patch. That'll go towards fertiliser and also used to top up the compost bin. Nettles are rich in nitrogen. Fig trees but on a bit of growth. That was repotted into some of the compost that I made. Leaving the potatoes to see what happens with them. If nothing else, I'll just use the greens for them, put them in the compost. Comfrey will be alive with bees. It's starting to form flowers. I scattered some more borage seeds in there. I don't know if they'll come to anything or not. Just a wee bit of an update, as everything's starting to grow, especially the weeds. So that's all for that one, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.